I want my outdoor space to look stylish and attractive. Flexstone decking would be perfect for this. But who can do this professionally? I need a specialist for this work. Do you know someone who does Flexstone decking?
Yes,
Guns & Sons Contracting is the best for this work.
that sounds great.
Thing A. Hello, I want Flexstone decking for my home.
Yeah.
We'll help make your home stylish and modern.
We'll check everything and plan the perfect decking solution.
Thank you for guiding me.
This Flexstone decking will make your space durable and beautiful.
It already looks amazing.
It's exactly what I wanted.
My home looks so modern and beautiful. Woo! Calverby. Thank you, Guns & Sons Contracting.
We provide durable and stylish solutions to upgrade your home.